A look at what's happening tomorrow, but first a quick recap of today's headlines. Eurozone manufacturing takes another turn for the worse, output plummeting last month as export orders from China and India drop. PMI numbers for Italy, Spain and Greece slumped, but so did core countries France and Germany, while manufacturing in the UK hit a 3-year low. European shares and the single currency hold steady ground though, and that's despite comments out of the US, urging European leaders to act decisively to solve the debt crisis. Treasury Secretary Tim Geithner says interest rates must come down and support be provided to peripheral banks. Tomorrow, investors' eyes will be firmly fixed on Frankfurt, where the ECB will make its rate decision. Some indications that Mario Draghi may make an unexpected announcement, but two top German officials upping the pressure on him to avoid letting peripheral governments ease up on austerity measures. Spain currently the focus of Europe's debt worries, but still avoiding an official request for a bailout. Rabobank's Richard Maguire says that unless Spain does ask for help, markets look like they're going to remain underwhelmed.
The ECB themselves have made it clear that they will intervene in a secondary or primary bond market in the periphery, but only as long as a sovereign petitions the EFSF or the ESM for support. And as yet, Spain is still resisting making such a request. So it seems hard how the ECB could do anything apart from announce its willingness to intervene as and when the conditions are right tomorrow, which would, of course, be very disappointing for the market.
The Bank of England also set to announce its own rate decision. An OECD economist said yesterday Britain's economy looks set to shrink in 2012, which could force the bank into another round of QE. And plenty of earnings out tomorrow. BNP Paribas seen by analysts reaching the core Tier 1 capital ratio early, stealing ahead of rival SocGen. Clearing the regulatory hurdle could give CEO Jean-Laurent Bonnafé leeway as he tries to navigate the Eurozone debt crisis. That's it for today. Do stay with us for updates throughout the US trading day. I'm Nigel Stevenson. This is Reuters.